Cadillac SRX power wire for your amplifier. I've seen a lot of videos. Everybody keeps going through the steering column grommet. You know, I've done that a lot, but it's a little bit more of a classier car. It's my girl's car, my wife's car. Trying to get it as clean as possible. I'm trying to step my game up a little bit, you know, and man, I thought I found this hole in the firewall. Oh, I thought it was made for me. And it turned out that it was the sunroof drain fucking hole. Excuse my language. It was the sunroof drain hole. It was already popped out of place. So when I found it, I thought it was an empty hole. Well, I figured that out, you know, because I went to wash my car, vacuum it out, and I'm like, oh man, it's wet down here on the floorboard. Oh, I already put this tape on here. Oh, fuck this tape. Alright. So, yeah, I found all that water on the floorboard. I'm like, what the heck's going on? Okay, sunroof drain. Gosh dang it. Alright. So, I went ahead and fixed my drain. You can't even see that. But, then I went ahead and made me a hole right through the firewall. Right below the drain, pretty much. But where my drill could reach. My hole saw, I just used a hole saw. And it was a hell of a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I was sweating it. Man, I thought it was gonna be terrible. Wow, it was so easy. I wanna share this knowledge with you guys. I wish there would be more thinkers out there. I get on YouTube and I just see, steering column grommet hole, steering column grommet hole, how to install like a pro, steering column grommet hole. There's other things. This is the one. This is a 2012 Cadillac SRX too, by the way. So yeah, then I just run my power wire under my cowl. I poked a hole in my cowl coming out right here. So then my wire comes right through here. I put a little bit of protective right there so the wire just, you know, if something happens, it's not scraping against metal. And then it'll go there. I went and put a new piece in there and had to put a new wire in there. That's what it is. It was working before and then I found that leak. So I had to go do this again. I thought I was a superstar with that first hole that I found. But, yeah, we fixed it. And this, my friends, I would do this before the steering column grommet. Just one reason I also deterred away from doing the steering column grommet is because my wire would have probably been getting cut down there as I turned the steering wheel. There was not much room for a 0 gauge wire, and this ain't even a true 0 gauge. This is like a 1 gauge. Crap. All right, thank you.